If your Phalaenopsis orchid has finished blooming, don't rush to throw it away. With the right care and proper repotting, the plant can completely recover, grow new shoots, and continue to bloom beautifully again. Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share extremely useful and easy-to-apply orchid care tips. With just a few simple ingredients available in your kitchen, you can help your orchid bloom again, keep flowers longer, and produce more blooms on each spike. This orchid has finished blooming, and I bought it from the store for only $2. At a glance, the plant is still green and healthy, and new leaves have even started to appear, which shows that it is entering a recovery phase. Therefore, we need to repot it in time to help it develop better. First, remove the plastic pot, then observe the entire root system and the old growing medium. If the medium is still clean and the roots are still healthy, you don't need to remove all the moss, just remove some of the outer layer. This helps retain a familiar environment for the plant while avoiding excessive moisture retention that could lead to root rot later. Handling this step correctly will help the plant adapt faster and grow more steadily after repotting. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, use clean and sharp scissors to lightly trim the tips of older roots. This pruning helps remove less active root parts while signaling the plant to produce new, healthier roots. As a result, the root system is rejuvenated, grows stronger, and improves nutrient absorption, helping the plant recover faster and develop more steadily. After that, let the plant rest in a cool, well-ventilated place for about 1 day before repotting. This allows the cut areas on the roots to dry naturally, reducing the risk of infection and root rot when placed into new medium. To treat and repot the plant, I will use aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes, vitamins, and natural antibacterial compounds that help soothe wounds, stimulate root growth, and support faster recovery. After cutting it into small pieces, I soak all the aloe vera in 500 milliliters of water for about 1 day so the nutrients are fully extracted into the water. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. At the same time, I also use 1 teaspoon of oat powder, then mix it well with about 500 milliliters of clean water. Oat powder contains minerals, vitamins, and natural nutrients that provide gentle nourishment, helping recovery and boosting plant resistance. Soak together with the other ingredients for 1 day. After about 1 day, I filter out all the residue from both mixtures, keeping only the liquid extract. Filtering helps make the solution clearer and smoother, preventing residue from sticking to roots or leaves, which could cause blockage or fungal issues. The resulting liquid contains extracted nutrients and active compounds, helping the plant absorb more easily, recover faster, and grow more steadily. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. First, I use a soft cotton pad soaked in the aloe vera solution and gently wipe all the leaves of the orchid. When wiping, make sure to clean both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, where gas exchange and nutrient absorption are more active. The aloe vera solution helps clean dirt, provides mild antibacterial action, and supplies natural nutrients, making leaves greener, shinier, and healthier. Cleaning the leaves also improves photosynthesis, helping the plant recover faster and grow more steadily in the next stage. Aloe vera contains enzymes, vitamins, especially B and C, amino acids, and natural antibacterial compounds. When wiping leaves with aloe vera solution, these nutrients gently absorb through the leaf surface, helping support mild antifungal protection, reduce leaf diseases, and improve moisture retention, making leaves glossier and healthier. After wiping the leaves, I mix all the solutions together to create a complete natural nutrient mixture. This solution combines enzymes and vitamins from aloe vera with nutrients from oats, providing gentle nutrition, antibacterial support, and recovery assistance for the orchid. I soak the entire base of the plant in this mixture for about 10 minutes. When used, this mixture helps boost resistance, stimulate new root growth, and support stable development, especially suitable for orchids that have just been treated or are in recovery. Soaking allows the plant to absorb nutrients more quickly. The remaining solution I will pour into a spray bottle, then mist lightly and evenly over other orchids in the garden. The nutrients in aloe vera combined with oats will provide natural vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, thereby increasing the plant's resistance and limiting fungal diseases. Helping the leaves become greener, shinier, and healthier, supporting root stimulation and faster recovery. When misted regularly, orchids will develop more steadily, absorb nutrients more efficiently, and create the ideal conditions for more beautiful and longer-lasting blooms. After 10 minutes, I take the orchid out and proceed with repotting. At this stage, I use a transparent plastic pot like this. This type of pot allows you to easily observe root condition and moisture levels inside. The medium I choose is still pine bark, a common and very suitable material for orchids thanks to its good aeration and drainage. However, you must properly treat the pine bark before use. You can rinse it with boiling water to remove fungi or soak it in lime water for about 24 hours. First, place a layer of pine bark at the bottom of the pot to create an airy base for the roots. Next, position the orchid in the center of the pot, gently adjusting it so the base just touches the surface without being buried too deeply. Then, add more pine bark around, gently pressing it into the gaps between the roots. This helps stabilize the plant without damaging the roots. You should work slowly and avoid compressing the medium too tightly so the roots have enough space to grow and breathe properly. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Now we have successfully repotted a Phalaenopsis orchid that has finished blooming. Place the plant in a cool, ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight, and do not water for 5 days. After about 5 days, I continue using the oat and aloe vera solution to lightly water around the base of the orchid. This solution helps provide natural nutrients, stimulate root growth, and support faster recovery after repotting. When watering, apply a moderate amount around the base, avoiding excess water that could cause root rot. Finally, place the plant in a well-ventilated area with gentle indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight so it can stabilize and grow healthily. Results. After about 3 weeks, my orchid has started growing new roots, and new leaves are also developing larger. This proves that the plant has stabilized and entered the growth phase. As long as you maintain proper care and provide suitable nutrients, your orchids will soon produce new spikes and bloom again. This is an orchid I repotted using this method 5 months ago. Currently, it has produced a new flower spike with vibrant blooms. And especially the root system has developed very strongly, helping the plant absorb nutrients efficiently and grow sustainably. What do you think about this method of repotting orchids after they finish blooming? Don't rush to throw them away. Just give them proper care and attention, and they will reward you with vibrant, colorful, and lively flowers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to support me.